do it now if you want. I just was waiting till later. It's fine if you want to do it now. Questions so far? You guys are all inconsistent today. I see some people still copying that, and some of you are staring at me because you're done copying. Don't know how fast or slow to go.
Do we usually copy at the same speed?
Yeah,
Really?
usually most people would be staring at me or copying the last part, but some people are still copying down there. Okay, so the absolute value of x now, okay, again, that's just the distance between x and 0, because now we're just subtracting 0. So I draw a number line from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Okay, and somewhere in there is 0. So I want to find what the absolute value of x is always less than or equal to. Again, the absolute value of x is the distance between x and 0. So what is the maximum distance? Right, pi over 2, because 0 is straight in the middle, so the maximum distance that I can be away from 0 is pi over 2. Okay, so now I plug it in. So I replace absolute value of x by pi over 2. So I have 4 times pi over 2 to the 4th over 4 factorial. Okay, remember, this needs to be less than or equal to, because absolute value of x is less than or equal to pi over 2, not equal to. So you can't say this equals. It's always less than or equal to. We'll just change 4 factorial to 4 times 3 factorial, and then I can cancel out the 4's. Okay, so this gives us, so we have pi to the 4th over 2 to the 4th times 3 factorial. Okay, so now, the absolute value of r sub 3 of x is less than or equal to pi to the 4th over 96. Okay, so in the ungraded homework, they sometimes give you the answers in decimal form. Don't convert it to decimal form. I just need you to put it into fraction form, simplify it as much as possible. Any questions so far? I'm aware of the time. Just give me one more minute to interpret this. If you need to go, that's okay. I'll just post this video. Okay? So for any k in the interval, okay, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, if we plugged k into the third degree Taylor polynomial, okay, which was t sub 3 of x, which was x minus x to the third over 2, we would be, at most, pi to the 4th over 96, which is approximately 1.0147, away from f of k equals k times cosine k. Yes, definitely. Okay, so this is the approximation, the third degree Taylor polynomial. So if I plugged any number in this interval, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, if I plugged it into the original function and I plugged it into the approximation, the difference between them would be at most 1.0147. That's a very good approximation. Okay, so much better Okay, see you tomorrow then. Apologize for running over.